Hello, lovely people. I am so lovely, you are so lovely, we are so lovely, lovely, lovely. So, I think you have gotten the reference where I'm coming from. So, let's get into the video. The reason is that I am actually making this video a lot late is that I was busy with lot of things and I actually wanted to record the video, and for the past 2 weeks I was winning about that I did not got to make the video, and it was actually making me feel bad about that. So here I am with the video. Earlier I wanted to yap about my college drama, but then I thought let's not involve all that in here. So I will talk about something which I did few days ago. So I was creating a video for something else, and in that video I actually said that there's always first time for things, right? So whenever you go to do something for the first time, like there's some work you are trying or some skill you are going to learn, if you did it good you feel really confident in yourself, but if you don't then you think that you are not worthy of it or you are not good. Just do not compare yourself to the others. If you didn't do it well, then that's not a problem. Like, there are many people who are not good at things you are good at. So do not be insecure and doubt yourself, right? Whenever we have faith in ourselves, we can actually cross the hurdles which are in our path. And also I actually want to, the people who are really introverted, there are some introverts who are really good at going on stage, good at public speaking. Like, I can say I am also an introvert, and if you tell me to talk to one person alone, I cannot do that. I cannot do that. I feel so anxious, so nervous. And then, if you, I think you should be thinking why I'm then recording videos and why I'm so comfortable with talking on the camera. It is because I have been recording myself talking on camera since November last year, and earlier I felt shy and hesitant and embarrassed about that, but I have overcome that. So whenever you want to do something, do it on your own, in your personal space, and when you get confident, go and show it out to the people, and I'm sure there are people who actually supports you. So I was talking about trust in yourself, right? Also, I just forgot where I left, and let's talk about, like, yeah, I was talking about introverts. So if you think that you cannot talk to people and you feel socially anxious, which I am also, and I do avoid people at time, so do not think that you are alone, and do not actually feel hesitant to do something or initiate a conversation. I think a month ago, I was talking to one of my classmates, and I was like, I was hesitant at first, but then at the summer training in the college, when we participated in many activities, it actually helped me overcome my hesitance and resistance to the things and overcome my shyness. And she was like, do not just hesitate to do things you like. People will laugh at you, but then they will forget it, and it actually sticks with me. And at times whenever I feel anxious to do something, there's that one song that was really actually going popular, was somebody's watching me, it's my anxiety, right? I tell it to myself at times whenever I feel like people are gonna judge me, and then I tell myself that it is my anxiety which is judging me, it is me judging me. People are not actually judging me, and those who judge you and make fun of you are the ones who are themselves scared of doing the things you are doing. So also, there is one exception, that there must be something you are doing which may not be right, and you may think that people are actually stopping me from doing it, and but I am right. Sometimes you should use discernment, and you should use some common sense of the things you are doing, whether it is wrong or right. There's some things which may not be right according to the moral concepts, and you should have that sense of maturity to differentiate right from wrong. And you always know what you are doing, at your heart what you are doing, and you should also be true to yourself. And while saying all these things, I do not know, a thought crashed into my mind that where are you actually going, what do you want to say. What I wanted to say was that, let me share one of my experience. That, like I said, I did public speaking. So I heard somewhere that if you feel shy or nervous on stage, and then you should think that you are on stage for a purpose. You are standing in front of the crowd, out of the crowd. You are standing out from the crowd, so you are there for a reason, right? And people are sitting there, so you should not be scared of that crowd, because they are there to listen you. And if even if you make a mistake, that doesn't matter, because if the people are laughing at you sitting in the crowd, you should not feel embarrassed or feel um, or I can say scold yourself or think too low of yourself just because some people in the crowd laughed at you. When the people who are actually sitting in the crowd and laughing at you are the ones who will make same mistake as you, or they may not be able to speak on the stage. So do not belittle yourself, and have trust on yourself, and love yourself, because that's the whole point of our life, loving ourselves. Because we are born alone, and we are born for ourselves. Human being is a social animal, of course, but your priority is you should focus on yourself. And I am saying these things, I do not know if it will reach the right audience or not, but if it is reaching you, you should give it one thought to it, and maybe something can stick to you and it will help you in future, or maybe in the present. I do not know who are the people it is actually going to reach, but then again I forgot the point what I was trying to say. But I am just creating these videos because I do not normally talk about all those things: self doubt, self love, confidence, trying new things to the people. And I actually wanted to find audience who want to listen to it, and I want my audience to be engaging, to be part of whatever I am creating. I do not know what I am creating, and the channel name is Spill Room by Orica, and I do not know what type of things I am going to spill, or the tea I am going to spill. I have lots of interesting stories, and they are personal, and I will share them one day because they are really really interesting according to me. I do not know what others would think, and I think, like I said, we should not think what others would think, so it doesn't matter. So I think that's all about the video. Bye bye, take care. I hope you get a message from this video. I do not know what the message was, but I really really hope that whatever I was trying to say, it actually reaches you. Wait, I cannot end this video here. Earlier I was talking about the traits I overlook in the people, like the negative traits in my friends, and I was actually talking about ignoring the negative traits and not ignoring my friends. I want to clear it. Maybe there's still a self-doubt left in me, and hesitancy or hesitation. But then again, let's grow as the channel grows. I hope my audience grows with me, not only in age but also in thinking, in mentality, and emotionally. So bye bye till then, take care. Bye bye lovely people. So I think I'm going to call my audience as lovely people. Bye.